Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about something that's really close to my heart, alopecia. If you're dealing with hair loss, just know you're not alone. There are millions of us out here, and today I want to share some tips and tricks that have helped me cope with it. First off, let's talk about acceptance. It can be incredibly tough to come to terms with losing your hair. But remember, your worth isn't tied to your hair. You are so much more than that. Embrace who you are and don't let alopecia define you. Now on to some practical tips. Wigs and headscarves can be a game changer. There are so many stylish options out there today. Find something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. You might also want to explore makeup techniques. Filling in your eyebrows or experimenting with eye makeup can really boost your confidence. It's all about finding what works for you and makes you feel good. Another big one is skincare. Alopecia can sometimes affect your skin, so find a good routine that suits you. Moisturizers and gentle cleansers can make a world of difference. Support networks are crucial. Whether it's online communities, local support groups, or friends and family, having people to talk to who understand what you're going through can be incredibly therapeutic. Don't hesitate to reach out. Mental health is just as important as physical health. If you're feeling down or overwhelmed, consider talking to a therapist. They can offer strategies to help you manage stress and build resilience. Lastly, remember to celebrate yourself. Alopecia doesn't take away your beauty, your strength, or your identity. Do things that make you happy and focus on your passions. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. Stay strong, stay beautiful, and take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need a little extra support today. See you next time.